What is this? What is this?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So yeah, I'm in a different position today, you know. Don't mind me. So I'm kind of in a hurry and I'm heading out, and like the title implies, you're going quarantine shopping with me. So I want to go get some groceries and filming and personal stuff basically. So yeah, you guys are gonna come with me, and yeah, let's go shopping. So we're all prepared. I've got my everybody sanitized. I've got my sanitizer in my hand, and I'm going to be holding this when I go, like everywhere I go. And I have my face mask, so when we get outside like the house, I'll put on my face mask. So yeah, let's hit the road, right? Please drop in the comment section. So yeah, I was able to get a tripod. I got two tripods actually. I got one for vlogging and I got one for filming when I'm at home. So I guess that's something to be happy about, right? But anyway, yeah, let's go grocery shopping. So let's go.
Wow, can you see this? 40-gram shortbread, 265 naira. It's just two inside. I beg. What is that? Oh yeah, I'm addicted to shortbread, so I should do. What is this? What is this? Looks like ginger, ginseng, alcoholic drink. Damn, this is going to be bitter. Oh. So the last time I came here, I didn't. Okay. Good. I didn't get wine. I wanted to get wine, but I ended up not getting. But now I regret, and I'm just gonna grab a bottle of wine. What do you think? I can't remember my best Frontera flavor. Yeah, Frontera is my best wine. I think I would try this. This was the one I wanted last time. So I think I'll take this.
Hi guys, so I'm back home and the time is it's like 7:30. I couldn't continue filming because people at the store, at the supermarket, they're like, they don't allow filming, blah 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 blah. So I just had to stop it where the last slide actually stopped. So I'm back, and got quite a lot of things ranging from food. You guys saw the food parts. Then I got cosmetics. I actually got lashes. I got a makeup mirror, which I really love. Let me show you guys. So I got a cosmetic mirror, which I really love so much. Oh damn, I haven't installed it. Let me install it. I'll get back to you guys. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god, this is so cute. This is so cute. What do you think? I really love this mirror. Like, it's so nice. And it's quite affordable though. I think I got it for about 3K. What do you think? Is that too pricey? That's okay now. 3K for this mirror. That's okay, Joe. It's okay. So this mirror is so cute. I know I didn't get the I couldn't get the mic. As I said, I told you guys before, I wasn't able to get the mic because it wasn't working. It wasn't compatible with my device, because if you know, I use my phone to film, and for some reason the mic wasn't compatible with my device, so I couldn't get it. So I'll have to order online, and that's going to take quite some time. I didn't want to, normally I order my stuff online, but I didn't want to, I just wanted to get it ASAP. So that's why I went to like town to get it, and it didn't work. So I had to get like a mic now. Sad. But I got a tripod, which you see, as you can see, I'm standing. My old tripod wasn't this like tall, so this one I can stand and do all I want to do. And then I also got a mini tripod. Let me show you guys this mini tripod. This is the one I'm gonna be using for vlog. This was the one I used to film the mini vlog on today, so this will mostly be for vlogs because I mean it's so small. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and please drop a comment in the comment section. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you in my next video.